The Sinoparcel D1S Xenon Hide Headlight bulb delivers on both performance and aesthetics, making it a valuable upgrade for automotive lighting. With a brightness of 3600 lumens, these bulbs effectively illuminate the road, enhancing visibility for both the driver and incoming traffic. The specific 8000 K color temperature creates a striking white light that has a blue tinge, appealing to those looking to enhance their vehicle's appearance while maintaining high functionality. Designed to replace various OEM part numbers, including 66140 and 85415, the D1S model assures compatibility with many vehicles, making installation straightforward. Each package includes 2 bulbs, providing a complete solution for both high and low beam needs. Operating at 85 volts, the bulbs are energy efficient while maintaining a robust output that can withstand varying driving conditions. With a lifespan of around 3,000 hours, these bulbs offer a significant duration before replacement is necessary,